Are you looking for a personal loan but want to avoid the fees and complex terms that come with traditional lenders? Have you heard about M1 Finance and are wondering if their upcoming personal loan product is the right fit for you? Well, you're in the right place. We're diving into everything we know so far about M1's new personal loan offering. M1 Finance is well known for its innovative approach to investing, but they're now expanding their borrow options beyond their existing margin loans. This is a big deal because it means they're not just for investors anymore, they're aiming to be a more comprehensive financial platform. So, what can we expect from M1 personal loans? The key features we know about are designed to be simple and transparent, a philosophy that's consistent with their other products. They're positioning these loans as fast, low-rate, no-fee loans. This is a direct shot at traditional lenders that often tack on origination fees, prepayment penalties, and other hidden costs. Let's talk numbers. The interest rates are said to range from 7.99% to 21.75% APR. That's a pretty wide range, but it's competitive with other online lenders. What you qualify for will depend on your credit history, the loan amount, and the term you choose. Speaking of terms, loans will be available for amounts between $2,500 and $50,000, with repayment terms of 2 to 7 years. This flexibility allows you to borrow what you need and set a payment schedule that works for your budget. Another great aspect is their soft credit check to see if you qualify. This means you can check your rates and terms without it impacting your credit score. If you decide to move forward, then they'll perform a hard credit check. This is a huge benefit for anyone who is simply shopping around and comparing options. What can you use an M1 personal loan for? Unlike their margin loans, which are tied to your investments, these personal loans are unsecured and can be used for a variety of purposes. Think debt consolidation, home improvement projects, or even major purchases. However, there are some restrictions. You can't use them for real estate, investments, or business purposes. The M1 personal loan will be an alternative to borrowing against your portfolio with a margin loan. It's a great option if you need cash but don't want to put your investments on the line. As with all of their products, M1 is focused on automation and accessibility, which could make this a seamless option for those already using the platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.